Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. We're going to have a live online training session tomorrow. Today's Friday, of course. Tomorrow, Saturday, May 26th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The training is going to be about the free marketing tools found at silverfoxtools.com. In just a minute, I'll take you over there. We're going to spend some time talking about free marketing tool number 7. And the affiliate program number 1. Remember, there is a 24-hour, 24/7 support group for Locustware. Ask me about it in the live training room. In fact, let me show you what it looks like here. Very active. In fact, he's excited about getting a local client using the software. Let's see what else they're talking about here. Congrats. Thanks. More to come. Let's see. Good morning. Of course, I'm very active in here. In fact, let me make a post in here. Okay, I'm going to make a little post there. There we go. Let's see what else is going on up here. There's Marty. Marty's very active in here also. So anyway, just when you meet me in the room, ask me about how to access this forum in here. Let's move on. Now, if you want to get a head start and learn more about these two programs we just talked about up here, free marketing tool number 7 and affiliate program number 1, here are the links, and I'll make sure I put the links in the video, in the description of this video. Okay, like I said, I also offer one-on-one personal training and coaching in my live training room. Contact me to arrange a time to meet in the room, and I will help you and send you in the right direction to build your business. Now, here's the info to join the live training room. I'll make sure this information is in the description of this video and, of course, the email that I send out. So let's go take a look at this tool here, number 7, and the affiliate program, number 1. Of course, when you type in silverfoxtools.com, you're going to end up over here. If you've not already, make sure that you do register for the live training. And come down here and make sure that you do join this group, this Facebook group. And here are the no cost to get started marketing tools. We'll be talking about these in another training, but right now we're going to focus on tool number 7 down here, free to join Covert commissions. This is a great tool to actually build your list because it's kind of like a viral tool. So make sure you do join that one. And we can keep on going down here. Here's some low-cost marketing tools, and here's some premium tools. Let's click through here and talk about these affiliate programs here, affiliate programs. Of course, you know, affiliate programs, there's no cost to join the program. You just have to go out there and market the tool, which I do, which Marty does, using a lot of the tools that we have. This affiliate program number 1, it's for those who are interested in a full-time living, working from your home. And of course, you need a computer, you need some phone. You need to be able to talk on the phone to these local clients. This is local marketing. And we just, of course, talked about local marketing in that forum back there, didn't we? So what's great about this marketing program here is this happens to be just one of the products, one of the services we offer out of several, such as we do video marketing for local clients, we do text marketing, and we do website design, redesign, website lead capture pages. We do it all for our local clients. And if you're in a position where you can work 6 hours a day and you can actually focus 5 days a week, This may be something that would fit into your work at home schedule. If you know anybody that's looking for a full-time position like this, of course you need to have them contact me. But anyway, come down here and here are the instructions on how it works. This is just, remember, one of the tools, one of the services that we offer here, which is the errors repair, directory errors repair. Come down here, kind of go through the steps here and go through the training here. And you can call me if you feel, remember, this is not for somebody who's just going to test the waters, who, maybe I can fit this in, maybe I can't. This is for the serious individual who can allocate 6 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you're going to be working very closely with me. Every day you and I will be talking, okay? So if you can devote and focus 100%, this program might be perfect for you. Over here are some affiliate programs where you don't have to talk to anybody, just put everything on autopilot. You send out your affiliate link and people sign up, you make money. Here's the Dream Host where you make $200, $150, $130. Never have to talk to anybody. Of course, here's that Covert commissions program here, and here's a video here that I want you to watch, and one here I want you to watch before we talk. And of course, those who are really, really into affiliate marketing, PureFly offers a bunch of different affiliate programs where you can make $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100 from those who buy through your marketing efforts. Never have to talk to anybody. Completely automated here, using some of the tools we talk about here. And this is an easy sell here. Earn $10 for every Coinbase account you give away. You're giving it away. We have a prospect who sets up their Coinbase account. You make $10. Okay, doesn't get any easier than that. So this is what we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to leave it open. I mean, if you have something special you want to talk about, you want me to teach you, learn from me, how I do things, how I make money on the internet, we'll leave that open for you. Okay, you know what to do. Tomorrow, Saturday morning, 8 a.m. Here's the information to access the live training room down here. With that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. I'll be waiting for you tomorrow morning. Let's go make some money.